Monica, and this is a new Listazo video. Today I'll give you the complete guide on batch numbers. We'll answer a few questions such as, what is a batch number, how is a batch number created, and why are there so many batch numbers, and finally, what is the law behind batch numbers? So, to answer your first question, what is a batch number? Basically, it is an identification number assigned to a set or batch of products from a supplier. That batch can usually be created on the same day. Now, how do you create a batch number? A batch number is made up of production time, production date, supplier identification code, etc. For example, LTS230223 corresponds to a product produced on February 23, 2023 by the producer LTS. The next question would be, why are there so many batch numbers? A long time ago, manufacturers produced many products, and when someone consumed a product and got sick, the manufacturer had the task of identifying which product had the problem, when it had been produced, where, and at what time. To make this task easier, batch numbers were created to identify a specific batch. Imagine the cost of having to recall every product because it was impossible to identify the exact batch from which the product originated. Therefore, batch numbers aim to facilitate these types of tasks and somehow protect the consumer. Now, moving on to the last question, what is the law behind batch numbers? Well, to answer that, the FDA, which is the United States government agency responsible for regulating food, drugs, cosmetics, and etc., created the Food Safety Modernization Act, which requires you as a producer or manufacturer of a consumable product to track your batch numbers. Its goal is to ensure that the food supply in the United States is safe, meaning that does not pose a danger, shifting the focus from responding to contamination to preventing it. And well, as I always tell you, if you want more information about a 360 platform that covers all your sales and inventory processes to have a better information flow and greater control over your distribution business, I invite you to visit our website, www.listazo.com, and ask us any questions you may have. For now, I'll end it here and hope this video can help you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time!